Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam Miraki. Today I have the December Zoe bag which is originally priced at rupees 649 but you can get it for just 599 including shipping after the discount now. You can go via the link mentioned in the description box below and there are more offers and there is a giveaway too, so one of you guys will be winning this entire Zoe bag. I'll mention all the details towards the end of the video but first let's start unboxing. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the box is reached me. It says Zotezo Health Beauty Fitness and it has that Zotezo India's wellness destination. So once we open, this is how the beautiful bag looks this time. I really love this pouch. It's in black color with these silver color floral pattern. I really like it. It's very classy and very trendy at the same time, and like always they have this very thick cloth material which is very long lasting and quite good. They have this Zoe bag tag as well, so if you want you can remove it while using or you can just keep it. And inside here are all the products. They are bubble wrapped as well, so let's go through them one by one. So the first product is by one of the most trusted brands of India and I personally love their products. It's the Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Biofruit Whitening Lip Balm, lightens and evens out lip tone. So this is of course something that can actually get rid of the hyperpigmentation or pigmented lips. I too have very darker lips because I do put lipsticks most of the times and it does darken your lips over a long period of time. So this kind of lip balm is really good. It will make your lips pinker and more natural in color. This is for 175 rupees, manufactured in 2018, and here are more details about the product. It's organically pure and preservative free. Here are the usage instructions and here are all the contents or the ingredients mentioned. This is a seal pack. Let me open this. So this is how the product looks like. Again, it is sealed from inside, so it's a good product. It has 12 grams of product. Okay, so I just wanted to see whether it has some color to it and I'm really happy to see that this has a very nice red color. Of course, it will not be opaque, but it will give some nice tint to your lips and it has a very nice fruity fragrance as well. I'm definitely gonna use this next. I love this brand and it's something that will help whitening or lightening my lip pigmentation as well. Very happy to receive this, and lip balm is something that everybody needs during winters. Winters have already started in Bangalore, so I have to apply lip balm every day for at least 3 to 4 times. My lips are so dry already, so I'm very happy to receive this. The next product which I have used and loved before is this one. It's from M Caffeine and it's their Neem Caffeine Glow Gel with Aloe Vera. It's a 50 ml full size, again a seal pack. The price of this itself is 449 and here are more details. So there are the benefits, ingredients and directions for use mentioned. It has neem, caffeine, organ oil, vitamin E, cucumber, glycerin, aloe vera, gel base, aqua and approved preservatives, etc. Let's open this one too. I love that they have sent all sealed packs. Some of the boxes don't do that. There is a thank you card. There is this small spatula, very cute one, and there is this glass bottle. So this is how it looks. Amazing packaging. I've loved it. That is how the consistency is. It's a very thick gel. It has an amazing fragrance. Fragrance is just to die for, guys. I so love it. I used to love using this and I've got this bag. I have a combination skin. So although I can use some creamy products during winters, I always prefer gel based products which are moisturizing but yet they don't make my skin feel oily or seem like I have put on something. I don't like that look, so I'm definitely very happy to receive this. And again, moisturization is a very integral part of skincare during winters. You need something hydrating and this one is really good if you have combination or oily skin, but this one can be used by everybody as such, so quite happy with the full size of this one too. Then moving on, the last product in skincare is by the brand Nirvana, crafted naturally, and this is their pure orange honey soap. So this is a 100-gram full size. Here are the benefits or the claims of the products mentioned. It says it heals scrapes, cuts, burns, and it has antimicrobial properties. It cleanses skin without stripping the natural oils. So this is very good for winters then, and it's for 150 rupees, manufactured very freshly in November. And here are more details. Oh wow, this is how the bar is. It's like that transparent bar. I like such transparency kind of bars. I don't know why, but I really like them. So I'm definitely happy with this. Has a good fragrance, has good ingredients. So totally gonna use this. Now after these three skincare products, we have got two makeup products. The first one is a matte red nail paint. Everybody will be receiving a matte red nail paint only, no different colors. And this one is by Tint Nail Polish. I have used a transparent top coat from this brand, which was good. So matte is so much in trend nowadays, and red is my favorite color. So I am definitely happy with this one. And since the Christmas season is here, I think red nail paints are gonna be so much in trend, and you can definitely use them this festive season. So totally happy with that. And then we have a product from Blue Heaven, and this is their Diamond Blush On for soft expression, and the shade is 505. Everybody will be receiving the same shade. It's of 7 grams and price is 125 rupees. Best before 3 years from 10-2018. Here are more product details. So let me open it and show you guys. Comes with this small sponge, but of course I would prefer applying this with your fingers or brush if you have. So this is the shade 505. And this is how it looks like. As you can see, it's a perfect bronzer, or bronzer come highlighter kind of shade for normal to medium skin tones. The pigmentation is amazing. I love the pigmentation. It's a very nice coppery color, guys. So can you see how beautiful that is? It's so shiny. I think this will be amazing for eyelids for a day-to-day makeup. I'm loving the shade. I'm definitely using this for my eyelids. And as a blush, you just have to apply a little bit, and it can be a very nice highlight, a very natural kind of highlight. Oh yes, I really like the shine. It has a nice goldeny shine. Rather than a blush, it can be used as a blush come highlighter or a bronzer come highlighter. I am definitely going to use this as an eyeshadow. I think it's a beautiful color to use as an eyeshadow for most of us Indian skin tones. And everybody will be receiving the same shade. So these are all the products in the December edition of Zobag. And it's priced at $5.99 including shipping after discount. And if you share the link mentioned in the description box below, you can get a 50% extra discount on the January edition as well. So definitely share it with your friends. And for the review part, I am definitely happy. I loved all the skincare products and I'm definitely going to use of them. And I actually like both the makeup products as well. Matte red nail paint is really good. I was not very sure of this, to be honest, but after I received this, after seeing the shade, I am really happy with it. So overall, for the price tag, you're getting such good brands and known brands, and you're getting so many products. So definitely it's a big thumbs up. If you're interested in getting it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below along with a direct link to purchase it. So definitely check it out. And now coming to the interesting giveaway part, one of you guys will be winning this entire bag, a new set of these products. These are the products that I will be using. You'll be getting a fresh bag of Zobag with all sealed products, and all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me and Zotezo on different social media handles, and you have to share this with your friends and family and ask them to join in as well. So this is an effort based giveaway, so whoever is putting the most efforts will be announced as a winner. I'll be checking all the efforts at the end of this month. So this giveaway will run till end of December. I will mention all the details very clearly in the description box below, so make sure you check it out and follow them. And if you're participating in this, don't forget to put a comment with your Insta handle so that I can see all your efforts on both the social media platforms. And if you haven't already, then please do check out the 10K giveaway as well. It is an amazing giveaway with even simpler rules, and you have hampers worth 20,000 rupees with 5 winners there, so don't miss that as well. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.